Hello students, good evening. So today's our topic is factorization. So we are starting with our new topic today. Yes. So factorization. First of all, we will be discussing what is a factorization, right? Factorization means to take out any factors actually. Let us say if I give you any example like 30, right? If I have to take out the factors of 30, factors means the numbers which are coming in the table of 30, right? If I say 30, like if I say it can be written as 1 into 30, right? It can be written as 2 into 15, it can be written as 3 into 10, or it can be written as 5 into 6, or you can say 6 into 5 also, 10 into 3 also, or it can be written as 10, it have been, and you can 30 into 1 also. The same way you can write this also like this. So what are the factors? If I have to say like what are the factors of 30, it means the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These mean these are the factors of 30. Factors means which are coming in the table of 30. Like how you can make the 30 means 1 into, if you are multiplying 1 into 30, it means that 1 and 30 are both the factors of 30, right? So these are called as the factors of 30. Now if I have to say what are the prime factors, what are the prime factors which is making the 30? So what are prime numbers? The numbers which has the common factor 1 in it, right? The prime factors are 2, 3. The 1 is the only thing, 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? 2, 3 and 5. These are all the prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. Why? Prime numbers are the numbers which has the common factor 1 in it. If you say about 6, 6 is not a prime factor, prime number. Why? Because it can be written as 1 into 6, it can be written as 2 into 3 also. But if I talk about 1, 2, what it can be written as 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. Right? So if I multiply 5 into 3 into 2, it will be making us 30. So you can, if you have to tell that which are the prime factors in it, then 5, 3 and 2 are the prime factors which is making the 30. So this is called as factorization. So factorization means that you have to calculate the factors actually which is making that number, right? Okay. So now if I talk about another example, suppose if I tell you, if I say write 3xy, or if I say like 5x square y, right? In both the cases, there is nothing a factor like 3. 3 cannot be, 3 can be written as only 1 into 3 only, right? Because 1 is the number which is the factor of every number. If I say 30, if I say 45, if I say 60, in everything, it is the common thing. 1 is common in everything, right? So, it cannot be displayed further, it cannot be divided more, it cannot be expanded further, because 3 cannot be, because 3 is already a prime number. X can be written as x only, y can be written as y only, right? So this is already, these 3xy is already a factor, it cannot move further on. If I say 5x square y, it can be written as 5 into x into x into y. This is how, if you have to expand 5x square y, you will write it as 5 into x into x into y, right? So, now coming on to our main topic, how we will factorize these things now. So, let us say if I say you, the first part, if I say, let it be 12a square b plus 15ab square, right? And let's take one more part. Oh, sorry. Before that, let it more example. Let it be 2x plus 4, or you can say 5xy plus 10x, right? Okay. So now we have to solve this thing. 2x4. 2x plus 4. Now you have to factorize this. Factorize this means you have to take out the factors of 2x plus 4. Right? How will you take out the factors? The basic thing is that just take out that number which is common in both the numbers. This is the easiest way to factorize the thing. Just take out the common number which is there in both the numbers. Right? Suppose if I write 2x, the factors of 2x can be written as 2 into x only, right? And 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? Now if I put these factors in my question, let it say, if I put these factors in my question, it will be like 2 into x plus 2 into 2, right? If I write it, if I write it as 2 into x plus 2 into 2, right? Now just take out, using the distributive law actually, just take out the number which is common in both the cases, right? So what is common in both the cases? 2 is common in both the cases. So this 2 is here also and 1, 2 is here also. Just take 2 out, right? And what is left now? In this bracket, it is x left. In between, it is a sign of plus. And in this, 2 left. So this is the 2 bracket x plus 2 is the factor of 2x plus 4. Is everything clear with this thing? This is how we do. Now in our second example, what we have written is 5xy plus 10x, right? Now, how we will solve this? Just write 5xy. 5xy can be written as 5 into x into y. Just keep one thing in mind, that there should be only prime numbers in the factors. The number should be only prime number. It should not be a complex number. You cannot write 4 over here. You have to, suppose if I have to write 4, you cannot write 4. You have to display into 2 into 2. Why? This because 2 and 2 are the prime numbers, right? Now coming about to 10x, a 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x, right? Now putting these in my question, if I put this thing in my question, it will be 5 into x into y plus 2 into 5 into x. Right? Now take out the numbers which are common in both of it. 5 is coming here also, 5 is coming here also. X is coming here also, x is coming here also. So take out the common factor out. You can take out 5x out. What is left in this bracket? Now this thing and this thing has been removed from this equation. Why? Because we have taken this common out. It is left over here only y. Right? Sign is plus, and what is left over here? 5 and x already come. It left to be 2. Right? So this is how we solve our question. Now you can check also whether the factor we have taken out is right or not. Just multiply it again and open the bracket. If you multiply this 5x into y, it will come out to be 5xy plus 5x into 2 will be 10x. This is how we used to factorize our questions. Right? Let's talk about now this example. Now in this example also, just split these two in two different parts, right? 12a square b can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 12. I have just written this. Why? In a form of prime numbers only, right? And a square can be written as a into a and b can be written as b. So 12a square b can be written as in this form, right? And then written as 15ab square can be written as 3 into 5, 15 can be, then a, and b square can be written as b into b. Why? Because b into b is b square, right? Now putting this thing in my question, it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b, right? Plus 15ab can be written as 3 into 5 into a into b into b, right? Now our next step is to take out the common factors which are there in both the brackets, right? So let's have to see, yes, 3 is common in both the cases and 1a is common in both the cases and and 1b is common in both the cases because it is coming in both the brackets. So take out 3ab. 3ab is common in both the brackets. What is left behind? 2 into 2, 4, 4 and 1a, 4a plus 5b, right? Now if you want to check the question, you open the brackets and you will get this question. But just keep one thing in mind, that it cannot be split further, right? Suppose like it is 4a and 5b. Now there should not be anything common in this bracket. Now if there is something common again in this bracket, it means you are not doing the question right, right? So just have to keep in mind that it should not further go on, right? So this is how we used to factorize. This is just a basic concept, like how the factorization actually take place in our questions. You can note it down now. Okay. Now let's see one more example on this. Our question is (10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x4), right? So now this is our question now. 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x4. Now split these in 3 parts. 10x square, 18x cube and 14x4. Now just divided 2 into 5, 10 into x, right? 18 can be written as 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18 into x into x into x. 14 can be written as 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. Now again, just put it in our brackets only. In 2 into 5 into x plus second bracket, sorry, it's minus between, sorry, it's minus 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x plus 14x4 can be written as how? 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x, right? So now just take the common thing out which is there in both the brackets. What is common? 2 is common in both the brackets, in all the 3 brackets, right? So 2 is common, and then there is, I think, 2x there. There is also 2x, there is also 2x. So 2x, 2x, x. So x square got common out. There are 2 x's in both 3 cases, right? So what is left now? In this bracket it is left only 5 minus, yes, only 5 is left in this bracket. And what is there? 3 into 3, 9, 5 3 into 3, 9, and only 1x, 9x plus 7 in x squared. So this is our answer. Now you can see that there is nothing left in this bracket which is common. Now we can check also whether our question is right or not. Next, 2x squared into 5 is 10x squared. 9x into 2x squared is 18x3. And 7x squared into 2x squared is 14x4. Right? So this is all about the basic concept, like how the factorization takes place, how you have to take out the things out in a common form. You can do directly also this question, like you can, if you don't want to do these steps, actually you can take directly also like what is common in the both the cases, but keep it in mind that only the prime numbers can be taken out as a common. Right? So this was all about the factorization, the basic concept we have discussed today. And I think there was some doubt in the last session actually. There was some doubt from Karan and Vikram also. There's one question actually. So I'm just solving that question for them. So just note it down. So I'm just doing one question which is a doubt. I think it is the example number 2, right? There is doubt from Karan and Vikram also. So I'm just solving for them. This question you can note it down and understand also. So there was a question that Rohan bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. He sold one at a loss of 5% and other at a profit of 10%. Find the total profit or loss. In this question, you have to take out the total profit. Means in the both cases, this is solved in the form of 2 cases only. Like if I say it as case number 1, it as case number 2. First says Rohan bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. Means the CP of fan 1 is rupees 1200. CP of fan 2 is rupees 1200. So cost price is 1200 in these cases. He sold one at a loss of 5%. In this case, he having a loss of 5% and other at a profit of 10%. Profit at the rate of 10%. Right? Loss of 5% and profit of 10%. Find the total profit or loss. Now you have to take out the total profit. Just take out the selling price in both the cases. What is our formula? Selling price is equal to CP 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Here we will be putting the formula SP is equals to CP 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Right? CP is what? 1200. 100 minus 5 upon 100, which will be 1200 into 95 upon 100, which will be, I think, around 1140, right? And in this case, SP is equals to CP is your 1200, then 100 plus 10 upon 100, which is equals to 1200, 110 upon 100, cancelled out. It can become 11,0. It's to be 1320, right? So our SP is, so our SP1 is 1140 and SP2 is 1320. Now if we have to calculate the total profit in this, so we have to take out firstly total CP, total cost price. Total cost price will be equals to cost price 1 plus cost price 2. Right? Total cost price is 1200 plus 1200. 1200 plus 1200 is equals to rupees 2400. Right? Now take out the total SP, because you have to take out the total profit or loss which he is incurring. So total selling price is equals to SP1 plus SP2, which is comes out to be SP1 is 1140, SP2 is 1320, and which will be, I think, total out 2460. So 2460. So now comparing these two, our total cost price is 2400 and our total selling price is 2460. So as selling price is greater than cost price, so we will be having a profit. I'm just writing over here gain, and gain will be equals to SP minus CP, which will be equals to 2460 minus 2400, which will be equals to rupees 60. So rupees 60 is the total gain the Rohan is getting on overall transaction. So I hope now the doubt is clear. Okay, thank you so much.